In the first LEGO League Discover set for Cargo Connect, the students will be learning about how to transport and sort packages. The Discover set consists of the Cargo Connect Discover model, where you will build the truck. You will have different packages that are found in these bags. You will build a sorting center. Those pieces are also in here. And then also different destinations. Also, you will find those pieces in here. You will have Lego Duplo figures. We can see one in the bag. You'll have some in each of the bags. 6 brick sets. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6 brick sets. And the building cards and the Discover mat. The Discover model is intended to help children connect to the theme and provide a starting point for discussions and further building. The mat is used as a collaboration space to bring the models together. The 6 bricks in this set are in addition to the 6 bricks in the Discover More set that goes home. I have taken everything out of the bags that were in the Discover set. So here are your 5 6 bricks, your mat, your Duplo figures. Here is what you need to build the truck. Here are the items to build your destinations. So here is the front door, your cold destination, and your hot destination. Then here are what you need to build the sorting center. So all these pieces go for the sorting center. And then these are what you will sort as your packages. The children will use these building cards to make the different parts of the Discover model. Here's the truck. And on the back side, it will show what elements are needed to build the truck. And those are what I have shown here. Here's a picture of the destinations, and the pieces that are needed to build those are on the back side. And I have those pieces laid out here. And then you have a building card to build the sorting center. And all those pieces are here.